Hello, everybody, and welcome to Keep Drawing. Today we're going to learn how to draw an angry skull, just like this one. Go ahead and get started with the top of the skull. And I'm just going to draw one line that curves down like this. And another on the other side that does the same thing. Just like that. Okay, next I'm going to put a little curve here for where the eyes and cheekbones are going to be. One on this side, one on the other side. And now that I've done that, I'm going to bring down two lines for the mouth and teeth. Like this. Next, I'm going to make a line that goes across where the teeth are going to be. Like that. And now that I have the basic shape of the skull, I'm going to go ahead and start adding some more details and putting it together. So, to give it that angry look, we're going to make these little ridges of bones look like eyebrows that point down. On both sides, like this. Then, I'm going to put one more line down here like this. And then the same thing over here on the other side. Now, I'm going to make this line just a little bolder. And I'm going to create this eye socket over here. And this one over here on this side. Now that I've done that, I'm going to go ahead and draw the nose in between the two eyes. Right here. You can see my cat wants to join into this video. So if you hear him in the background, that's what's going on. And I'm going to put one line underneath here. And some curved lines for where the teeth are going to fit in to the upper jaw right here. Right, so now we have kind of the basic shape. Let's go ahead and start adding some teeth. These two teeth here, I guess you could call them canine teeth, are going to be a little sharper than the others, so I'll start with those. I'm going to exaggerate them just a little bit to make it a little scarier. And then I'm going to make some teeth on this side. And then two more here in the front. Now I'll add a couple more details, a couple of lines to make them look old. And then I'm just going to come around and darken this line. I had a little kind of a sketchy line right here, and I'm going to make that darker. And from there I'm going to put lines that go up between the teeth, like this, to show where they grow into the skull. And then a little more outlining around the edge. Another detail I want to add is a crack right up here at the top of the skull. Now that I have everything drawn, I'm just going to color in the eyes, black. I'll do the same thing with the nose. Like this. Just making these nice and dark to make the skull a little more spooky. I'm gonna do the same thing with the nose. And then I'm going to add just one last step, and that is a bold outline going all the way around the skull to really make it stand out more. It also gives me a chance to fix where it sticks out maybe a little too much on either side. So I'm just going to take my Sharpie and go all the way around. Like this. Around the teeth. And there you have it. That's our angry skull. Let me just darken these lines above the eyes just a little more. If you enjoyed this video, please consider a like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.